Look at that. Look at those peasants.
Yeah. I'll probably do one of them again soon. We'll have to see.
Yeah. Yeah, what's going to happen to our hiking adventures?
Yeah, you have to get another guide.
Oh.
I'll be out of the mix.
Oh.
Sorry. But it's not happening yet. We'll see. I looked at the one for the lakes, and it got through the qualification review. And now it's just the overall review, I guess.
Yeah.
They'll let me know if they want me to come and have a chat or not.
How's it going to affect your band?
Band should be largely unaffected.
Okay.
I mean, I was able to do that the whole time I was in the Navy as well. So that,
Oh, really?
I worked a lot of fucked up hours then. So, but the hiking and the show will probably, my YouTube thing will probably get me up too.
Oh.
So, I have only so much bandwidth, and depending on the job, like the lakes job, I don't see that one killing me. I think it's going to be a fun job, a challenging job, because you're in charge of a lot of shit. But no, you know, it's not the emotional toll that dealing with the business of war will be. And so that's the other one that's on the plate. That one comes along. I don't know what I'm going to actually be able to maintain as far as my other life. Maybe it'll all balance out.
Yeah,
It's
right.
hard to tell. In my head, it's a lot worse than I hope it is.
Yeah. Well, how long have you been without a job?
Since the summer of 2021.
Oh, really?
Mm-hmm.
Why are you getting back into it?
Future planning.
Oh, okay.
That's, well, it is what it is, you know?
Yeah.
Like day-to-day stuff, and is for the rest of my life, we won't have absolutely zero worries.
Yeah.
When I kick off, depending on when I kick off, everything is fine for a while, and then there are other monies that come into play that should work themselves out. But if I kick off after a certain point, then there's just a lot of it depends, you know, things that don't fall into place necessarily right, and this is that. I get the safety net for that.
Yeah.
So. It's all fine. It's a 5-year plan.
It's a 5-year plan?
One day I'm going to put us on that mountain over there. I can't figure out how to get up the goddamn thing.
Looks like you just drive up that road right there.
Yeah, it's just, the problem is there's a giant gate in front of that.
Huh.
Like, not the gates that we are using, you know, are the suggestion gates.
Yeah.
It's a no shit, you're not going any further.
Oh.
No means no.
Yeah.
Like the one up by the water tower.
Yeah.
That's a no means no.
Yeah, right.
But it's the same kind of stuff over on this side. But I see people up there, so there is a path somewhere to get up that mountain. And I'm looking at the map, I just can't find it. It irritates me that high schoolers are outwitting me on this.
Oh, yeah.
Dave, did you start your tracker today?
I was making his video.
Okay.
Want me to check it?
No, because I did not. I was wondering where we end up at the end of this.
Did we make a shortcut turn somewhere?
No. that's.
This didn't feel like 6 miles.
No, we didn't do that hike, dude. You had to be home by 9.
What was that?
You had to be home by 9. We didn't do that hike.
Oh, I'm sorry. I didn't realize.
Yeah. Thanks a lot, Dave. I was looking to get punished, but I'm good.
I couldn't guarantee a return time.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Plus me along.
That's fine. Like I said, the hike is what it is, and I can't make the distance shorter in time.
Yeah.
And Tom and I travel at a different pace.
Oh yeah.
So our 2 hours and 20 minutes, I don't know what that is.
Yeah.
Oh,
Well, you gotta. If I'm tagging along, you gotta add another hour to it. Cause I gotta find my lungs.
well, that one going, I wasn't sure what it was like going down.
Yeah.
Because going up was hard to do because it's going up. But you're incorporating going up the water tower hill, which is fine. I mean, we've all done that plenty of times at this point. But I don't know what the overall time on it looks like. You still have to go through the valley and then figure the best way to come up the long road by George Washington, which is steep but short.
Yeah.
Or going around that back way by the stone wall.
Mm-hmm.
In the, that other way we come up from the valley. So longer but not as steep. And it's like, but time-wise, I don't know how it balances out. Because probably not dissimilar.
Yeah.
But I've never timed out like the individual parts of it.
Yeah.
But yes, this is longer.
Yeah. I was looking forward to that big hill.
Sorry. Well,
Next time.
when we have an unlimited morning,
Yeah.
we'll do the long one.
Yeah. Yeah, Dave, you gotta stop making appointments on Tuesdays.
Well, unfortunately, this is a once-a-month thing that I can't control.
No, I'm just kidding, man.
I just
And
did
I
that
would
thing on
try
Friday,
that.
so I'm still recovering anyway.
No.
I definitely want to keep my Tuesdays free if possible.
Oh, no, I was just kidding, man. No, trust me, that's 6 miles. I went to bed early thinking like, ooh.
6.23.
Oh.
I'm sorry, 6.34.
3-4?
Yeah.
See, I was scared of the 3-4.
3.4.
Yeah. I think I could do the 6 miles, but when you add that extra, I don't know, man.
6 miles is easy. But
Yeah.
after that,
You know, it's kind of funny. I was looking at my map tracker,
Yeah.
not on the sat map, with just the regular line. And
Yeah.
You can actually see me fall the way that, because there's a little swiggle in that point.
Yeah.
It is just, it's because it's not a straight line like everything else. I'm like, that's where it was. It was right there. That stupid little spot.
That's where the wiggly line.
That's where it happened.
Yeah.
I sent it to Tom. I'm like, this is where it was, man.
I think once I have enough video of you falling, I think I'm going to make a compilation.
And it's always like on like the easiest part of the hike.
Oh, yeah.
That's why it's so irritating.
Yeah. You know, it's almost like that road right, like that trail right there. It's always like a rock that you step on.
I mean, like this is like total
Yeah.
Roman trip area.
Yeah.
It's not hard, but I'll find that one out of place rock.
Yep. Yeah, I'll look at it like in slow motion over and over, and it's always like that one rock. And it just rolls.